Welcome to another episode of Solitaire Quest. I'm your host, the Blood Knight of the Old Republic of Bloodganistan. And I got some crispy mini here's, some iced tea, and I gotta fucking turn off the damn night lights. I don't want to go to sleep yet. No sleepies for me right now. No. Yeah. Stayed up till 8 in the morning reading the newest Dresden Files novel. Battleground. Good fucking stuff. Good fucking stuff. So yeah, this is another Star Trek Discovery review. We got The Sounds of Imperfection. Basically, Sonequa Martin Green's voice, or whatever everything sounds like. Yeah. Well, what is the sound of imperfection? Well, it's the sound of the main Star Trek Discovery main theme. So yeah, the sounds of imperfection. We have Serugo doing the voiceover, folks. He's doing the voiceover. Not Michael Burnham. Hooray. We got a voiceover not done by Michelle Burnham. Yeah, we got some more of the Magic Asteroid and its magic database. And we got Dr. Culber apparently not feeling it like himself. Which, considering he is, I don't know. Should probably get him some psychological help here. Oh, the fucking spinning camera with Burnham, Tyler, and Pike. Fucking terrible. Shoot the fucking camera, man. We got some more Burnham facial expressions. And the fucking camera motions in this episode and the goddamn angles. And yeah, kill the goddamn fucking cameraman in this episode. And the director who gave this guy his fucking camera instructions. God damn it. So yeah, we got Serugo acting like an activist. And this episode, yeah, Serugo's a metaphor for an SJW returning back to their home. Or hometown or something. And yeah, it's nice scenery. It's reminiscent of the Hippie Planet in TOS. So I got maybe they were planning on, I don't know what the original plot is or something, but it's like, or maybe like an oversight of the goddamn budget. You know, they did some revisions and shit. They're probably gonna go to the Hippie Planet or something from the TOS. But then it's like they probably went, no, we're not gonna do that. But we already have the things scouted out already And we got all the money for the budget of the plants and all that shit. So I guess, yeah. Wow. Serugo's sister is tall. Fucking tall. Almost as tall as Serugo himself. For some reason, she's got a fairer complexion. But a little bit fairer. And yeah, we got Burnham anticipating Serugo when he goes to the transporter room. And when the Baul were fucking talking, why did the view screen go all weird and change theme? And yeah, we got the Magic Sphere archive and the fact that it took a fucking population survey. And yeah, the Baul is a weird fucking alien in the fucking pool. And yeah, Serugo builds a communicator out of random drone parts. Okay. And yeah, Serugo's New Balance, a metaphor for SJW ideology, I guess. Goddamn fucking nose. And yeah, Serugo goes unattended for a long time, long enough to build himself a fucking communicator and all that shit. Yeah. And yeah, Pike is still a breath of fresh air. And we have the Magic Red Angel suit that can just shut down, I guess, like a whole underwater city complex thing. Apparently the Baul, I guess, they live in the oceans for some reason. And like, like why? Like what? Like this is just fucking. It's stated later on in season. It's stated later on that this suit is Federation technology of its time at the moment of the show. So why does the damn suit have magic fucking powers? Why does it have magic fucking powers? So yeah. It's blatant to me that the Red Angel was supposed to be fucking more in this season of Star Trek Discovery. It was supposed to be more, but then they did revisions. They probably did a lot of heavy revisions and then made the Red Angel Burnham's mom and then made the Red Angel Burnham herself. And later, they probably the they probably had something more a more ludicrous explanation for the Red Angel. More ludicrous than what we got right now. And yeah. So yeah, we have the magic suit that can shut down a magic time space suit that can shut down an entire city planet. Okay. It's just this is the the fucking writing in this series is inconsistent. Which, if it's not apparent, yeah, I definitely get the distinct feeling they really didn't rethink. They didn't think this Red Angel through enough. Then they started getting scripts, and then they started doing revisions. They noticed. They noticed. They noticed. Probably it was probably too late at that point. They probably had started shooting and whatnot, and they couldn't go back and change shit properly. So yeah, that's my observation. Or they were just rewriting shit on the fly. I don't know. I like to think that that's a possibility. So anyway, I'm the Blood Knight of the Old Republic of Bloodganistan. Like, share, and subscribe. Get your chosen one where you can. Stay frosty. Stay sexy, San Diego. I'm a spaceman. Peace out.